Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to create a line plot in Python. So we are going to create a line plot. So first we have to import a package, matplotlib. I have already installed the package on my system, and now I'm going to import the package here, matplotlib dot pyplot. So pyplot is basically a sub package of matplotlib, and I'm going with the conversion plt. Okay, now I'm going to plot a function. So first I need a variable, some variables as well. So this is the variable year, and the values will be uh, uh 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005. And then we have another variable which is population, and the values will be on 2022. The population of, for example, India is 1 point, for example it will be uh, 0 point, or you can say for Pakistan it will be 10 crore, and then in 2002 it will be 12 crore, then 15 crore, and then 2025 it will be 18 crore. So we are going to create a we are going to make a line plot. So first we have to use a function which is plt.plot, and then we are giving the values. So the first argument will be in horizontal, and the second will be population. So I'm going with year as horizontal axis and population for the vertical axis. Okay, with the comma. Now we are going to show this plot. So I'm going with the function plt.show. Now click on run, and here we go. So on the year 2002 the population is 10 crore. On 2002 the population is around 12 crore, or sorry, around 2003 the population will be at 12, and then on 2004 the population is around 15, and then on 2005 it will be around 18. So in this way you can create a line plot in Python. Hope you like this little tutorial. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question related to matplotlib you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.